What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping by the channel. We're going to go ahead and continue working on Ash's car. The last video you guys watched should have been us picking up full bodies for her car. Now we're going to go ahead and pull the old ones off that no, we did not install, but we have been riding on them like that. They were installed by somebody else. We've just been kind of adjusting them and dealing with them. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and remove those and install the new ones that we got. So yeah, stick around and give me 1 minute. Alright, so there are the full bodies. There's one of the wheels that are almost done being polished. Those two haven't been touched yet, unfortunately, but it's okay. We found a method to our madness, so we will get these two done a lot faster than the other ones have been done. But yep, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a stand and time lapse jacking up the car and going from there. Alright, well, as y'all can see, we got the car jacked up. We're now going to go ahead and start disassembly of the shocks. See, I did drive it to work today, so it's tolerable. Alright, we'll go ahead and disconnect the sway bar link, and we'll go from there. I guess I'll put you guys back on. All right, as y'all saw through that time lapse really quick, we got the old ones out, and as you can see, they are a scale innovation. And I mean, I can't knock them because they've been on the car for how long? Like 4 or 5 years. So yeah, we definitely got our use out of them. Now, as you guys, well, remember I was trying to show you guys in the last one, the top hat? Well, I think that's a problem. I think we have said problem here. Oh, tight loose. Oh. Hey, why the profanity? But yeah. And look, y'all snapped the head. Y'all snapped the head. Good job. Alright, off to the next set. Don't mind the mess behind me, but you guys saw the beginning of the time lapse of removing it. We got the old ones out and all that stuff. We finished up putting the front ones in. As you guys can see, the car's still in the air. There are the old struts. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and set it down on the floor. Holy highness.
It's only like an inch or two up, but it's a lot when you're tires basically rubbing.
Oh yeah.
So we gotta drop it, get them out. I'm not even gonna go drive it. Alright, as you guys can see, full bodies, the coils are installed. I did install them last night on the front, and I did drive to work on them. With just the front ones installed, they did ride really nice. There was no bounciness, and they also were not too stiff. But we are going to go ahead and roll the fenders really quick because she doesn't want to camber it as much. She's trying to pull out as much camber as possible, but she still wants to keep the same wheels. So we are rolling the fenders a little bit more, and we're going to see if we can get away with it. As you can see, she's polishing that one still, and this one hasn't been touched yet. You can definitely see the difference. Holy crud. Anyways, but yeah, Then next we're gonna go ahead and put these on, so stick around and see you guys shortly. And just a quick rundown. I did use the aftermarket, the new bolts and nuts, or the new nuts that came with it. So like the sway bar link bolts are now 17s, and the top hat bolts up top are now 15s. They're no longer 14s and stuff like they used to be. And that's about it. And you guys know that is a 19 right there, and that is a 17, and that's all you really got to remove. And that 12 millimeter for the brake line, which you guys should already know that. Just giving it a quick rundown, just in case somebody's watching this that didn't know. But yeah, and I don't remove. Hold on. Ugh. I don't remove the whole cowling area. I just kind of go through the little cubby that they give you right here. And that's that. So you guys can do it. You don't have to pull the whole cowling stuff off, just so you know. Woo! So we got a mess to clean up here. So you know what? We're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. I'm gonna post this video tonight, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish filming the rear. You guys will see that tomorrow. So I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. You guys are gonna see what we've done so far, and we will continue on. Make sure like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for coming by. See you guys soon.